You got the same from the containers, more or less. So getting this from the bed, ah, very disappointing. Hi everyone, welcome to Blessings from the Garden. And we are going to harvest some sweet potatoes from this bed. This is the first time we are going to do this in terms of getting the sweet potatoes from a raised bed. Now we are planted in containers, but we have been successful, but not a massive production. So we're going to see what we have in this bed. We did revamp the bed some time ago, about 5 months ago. So we're going to link that video in the description or tag it somewhere at the top so you can see how we did that. So now I'm just pulling out some vines here so we can get access to the sweet potatoes. Alright, so let's see what is under this earth. And there is one here trying to be as gentle as possible. Okay, this is our first one. Not too shabby at all. Alright, so we have another one here. It's very small. And the mosquitoes out here are crazy. Alright, so trying to expose this one a bit so as not to break it. Oops. This is a stone, not a sweet potato. Alright, so we have two here. Alright, so there's a little one right here stuck in the corner. Hi. Put it out. Okay, gently. There you go. Take that one. Sweet potato. Alright, a small piece here. I'm trying to see if we get them all. So the soil is not compacted at all. good soil. Not sure why the yield is so small. Was expecting a full-blown bed of sweet potatoes. So these are the purple sweet potatoes. Um, Trying to see if we have everything. We're gonna start another batch of sweet potatoes. So we live in Jamaica, so we can plant all year round. So I'm going to do, we got some from the supermarket, so I'm going to root that one along with a white one that we have and try it in this bed. So I'm not going to put back the sweet potato vines or slips in this bed. I'm going to try the orange ones. I'm not sure of the exact name of the orange one that we got from the supermarket. But we're going to put that one in this bed along with the white sweet potato. Making sure that we got all of them out. Alright guys, so this is the yield for this morning in terms of sweet potatoes. Quite disappointed, but we are grateful for the harvest from this bed. It is expected that would have gotten at least 50 pounds of sweet potatoes, thereabout, give or take. But this is what we pulled. Not sure why, so we're going to do some more research. We are going to not plant back the purple sweet potatoes, but we're going to use our local sweet potatoes in this bed along with some white slips. I'm going to do more of the local ones and probably put about 2 vines of the white ones, and then we are going to see what will be the outcome of that. As I said before, we live in Jamaica and we can plant all year round, but this is what we got from this bed. We're going to allow these to cure somewhat, so just to intensify the sugars in the sweet potatoes so they taste much better. We got the same from the containers, more or less. So getting this from the bed, very disappointing harvest, but we're grateful. But we have to be honest with ourselves that we were hoping to get something much better, because as you can see, the size of the bed is an average bed. So we should be able to get something much better. Not sure if we are going to grow back this purple sweet potatoes. We do have 1 or 2 in some containers. After that, we'll just try back our local ones, and then hopefully we can get a much better yield. So this is where we're going to leave you. We do hope you enjoy this video, and we're asking you to start that garden 1 container at a time, and we will see you next time. For those who have joined us, our family, over the couple of weeks, we do appreciate you and thank you for joining us. Continue to tag along on our journey of growing, and we are hoping that you are being inspired and that you will start your garden to 1 container at a time. We will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.